Welcome. In this video I will share 10 quick tips to speed up your HONOR X7d. Start by clearing your device's cache. To do that, go to Settings and find the Storage menu, open it, and then tap Clean Up right here. Then clean up junk files. You can also clean up duplicate files. If your smartphone detects some, in such case you're gonna have to select either all of them or some of them, and then tap Delete to confirm your choice. Cleaning up your storage will significantly improve your device's performance. The next thing that you can do is uninstall the unused apps in Apps, Manage Apps, and here you can find the applications. You can sort them by usage, or just tap the three-dot icon in the top right corner of the screen, select Unused Apps, and if you find anything here, then of course you can just select an app and uninstall it. Or this one is actually the system app, so I cannot uninstall it, but for Gmail I'm not sure. Oh, it seems that it is also system. Okay, we can uninstall Instagram, so just tap uninstall, and this will also free up your storage, therefore will improve your device's performance. Next, use the built-in optimizer. It's not available in settings. Instead, you're gonna have to search for the application called System Manager. Go right here, wait for a while, and then select Optimize. Let the app do what it does, and then tap Done to complete the optimization process. Next, enable the developer options on your smartphone. So go back to Settings and scroll all the way down to About Phone section. Scroll down to Build Number and tap on it 7 times. Basically tap on it until your phone requests a unlock pattern, or basically says that you are a developer using this kind of a notification. Now to access the developer options, you're gonna have to go to System Settings, and to access the system settings, you're gonna have to go to System and Updates, and here go to Developer Options. Now in Developer Options, you can, for example, set charging temperature limit, which will stop charging your battery if it gets too hot, and this will improve. This will basically extend your device's battery lifetime. And you can also use the developer options exclusive power saving mode right here for more advanced power saving when you need it. And you can also enable the automatic system updates here by switching the cycle to right. Now, regularly reboot your phone is the following tip. So when you reboot your phone, it clears temporary files on your device and refreshes system processes, so remember to do it regularly. And also you can activate performance mode. To do that, go to Battery Settings, and here to enable performance mode, switch the cycle to right. This will improve your device's performance for a while, but it will of course use more battery on your device. However, from what I can see right here, the phone should work for at least 40 more hours with 91% charge in performance mode, which I don't think it's a big sacrifice unless you are currently traveling and have no direct access to charging your device for some reason. Okay, so the following advice is managing your background apps. So basically you have to go back to the batteries settings, and then select the battery. Select the app launch, and now what you can do here is manage some applications manually. Well, basically this is a HONOR unique feature which manages your apps, restricts background activity, and does a great job in saving your battery and your battery life. The thing is, some apps may not send you notifications when you have this toggle enabled. This means that some crucial applications that you may need urgently sometimes, like your phone, like maybe your email, like maybe your maybe messages or messengers. You may need to have access to this app's notifications all the time. In such case, disable the automatic managing and switch all of these 3 toggles to the right, and then tap OK, and this way you will receive all the notifications from these applications on time. So this is more of a tip than actually speeding up feature. Now, the last tip I wanted to share with you is keeping your software up to date. So to keep your software up to date, you have to go back to System and Updates, go to Software Update, make sure that you have some kind of internet connection, either Wi-Fi or mobile data, which I currently don't see right here. Maybe it's because I don't have a SIM card in this phone. But basically, anyway, I recommend using Wi-Fi for software updates. To check for updates, tap right here, wait until your device checks for an update, and if you have any updates to install, then do it on time. Try your best to do it on time, or just enable auto software updates and let your phone do it for you. Just keep your device updated. And that's all the tips for today. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.